Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if your iPhone device battery is draining fast after iOS 26 update. Then here in this video, I'll show you if the iPhone device is draining fast your battery after iOS 26 update. So now let's get started how you can easily fix this problem. So first of all, simply you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after restarting your iPhone device, here you'll need to open settings in your iPhone device. So after that, here scroll down and tap on battery. So after that, you will see this type interface. So here you will find the apps which are consuming more battery power of your iPhone device. So here simply just you will need to uninstall unnecessary app from here, and after that here you need to turn on the low power mode from here. So after that, here you need to close this tab. So after that, again open settings in your iPhone device. So then after that, scroll down and tap on general. So after that, here you need to again scroll down and tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh is turned off from here. So after that, go back again, and here you need to open your control center and make sure that if you're not using internet connection, then here turn off the Wi-Fi and turn off the Bluetooth, and here you need to turn off the all unnecessary options from here. Then after that, go back again, and here you need to again open settings. So after that, here you need to again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on privacy and security, and here you'll find option location services. You will need to tap on this, and here make sure that the location services is turned off from here. So after that, go back again and again open settings in your iPhone device. So after that, here you need to again scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down, and here you need to tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you need to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. So after that, go back again. Then here again you will need to open settings, then tap on general. Then scroll down, and here you need to tap on transfer reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. So after that, here you need to enter your iPhone password. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and battery draining issue will be resolved in your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.